Hello, namaste. How are you all doing? Hope you're all good. Welcome to Flying Skies One. As you all know, you have many offers right now for the festival. We see many refrigerators in the market, but we don't know what to buy, which one is the best. Here in this video, I'll discuss two refrigerators that are best within the budget of 20,000 rupees. Okay, after watching this video, if you're interested to buy, I'll provide the links in the description box. You can check out. And now here you see the first refrigerators that I told you. This is the best refrigerator. This is from LG brand, as you see in the picture. This refrigerator is from LG brand. I'll only share very few important points from the consumer end as why this refrigerator is best. Okay, this can be purchased by the families consisting of 2 to 3 members. It comes with direct cooling technology. It works on smart inverter compressor, which allows the items in the refrigerators to have long-lasting freshness and moist. And when it is turned on, it has got less noise that has been produced. Is coming to the most important point. It consumes less power or electricity, so you can have power savings. It has come with 10 years of warranty. It is solar smart. It works without stabilizer, so if there are any highs and lows in the electricity, it doesn't affect the refrigerator. It works on inverter when there's no electricity. You can make ice fast, say within 2 hours of time. Yes. This comes with a door lock and has got beautiful design in and out. It has got stylish look. As you see in the picture, this is recognized as energy efficient refrigerator. Okay, in nutshell, I'll quickly recap as why you got to buy this. Because it has got more savings on your electricity or power, due to which it is given 5-star rating. It's more durable. It comes with 10 years warranty. It has got smart inverter compressor, due to which you can have fast ice making, and the cooling keeps the items fresh and moist. It's spacious and it has got strong body, as you see in the picture. This is 360-degree view. Now without any delay, we'll see how the actual refrigerator looks. Okay, let's check out. Are you watching the refrigerator? How is this? It comes with antibacterial shield, as you see in the picture. It's given 5-star rating as it consumes less power, say 131 units per year. Okay, we'll see the next best refrigerator. This almost carries the same features as the first refrigerator, but only in terms of 2 extra features. It makes all the difference. I'll show you here what's the difference. As you see in the picture, feature. This comes with a floral design and with stylish door lock. It has got a panel, a touch panel, as you see here. I'll zoom in and show you. Okay, this extra feature that makes all the difference from the first refrigerator. This touch panel is a new addition or feature that has been added to this refrigerator. Mostly we see in refrigerators, you've got regulators or knobs with numbers given in order to adjust the cooling, but here the panel is given. You can go for low or high cooling according to the weather. For instance, you are in summer season, you can go to the summer option here as shown in the picture. You can double tap on it and select the option. You've got express cool here. You can select that option also, defrost, and you have lock. So not going for a physical lock, you can tap here to lock the refrigerator. Okay, this is given 4-star rating compared to the first refrigerator which we saw earlier. Here you can take a look on the refrigerator. Just check out how its design is. Mostly it carries the same features as the first refrigerator, except few which I shared already. So keep watching. But if any of you watching my video for the first time and are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive the notifications without fail. And thank you all. And please do comment which refrigerator you like the most. And you can check out, if you like the refrigerators, the offer links are given in the description box. Okay, here comes the end of the video, and that's it all for today. If you've got any doubts, ask me in the comment section. Keep smiling, have a good day. Please don't forget to subscribe. Yes, thank you.